Hey everybody, it's Bruce with Olive Branch. I wanted to show you a project we finished up not that long ago. It was a whole house remodel. We had so much fun transforming what the original design and layout was that didn't work for the clients at all to something now that functions and flows so well. Thanks to Kersten Designs for doing such a great job and working with us so well. But what I want to show you right now is the master bathroom. This was one of the biggest transformations in the house. So as you can see, we've updated everything, but really what I want to show you is what the old looked like and give you an idea and show you what we've kind of done. So if you can see the window behind me, that window was the exterior wall, and about right here was an old guest bedroom that the clients didn't really use. It wasn't functional for them. They have enough bedrooms upstairs and on the second floor. So what we did was we stole that space and we gave them a brand new toilet room back in the back and this huge, nice big custom shower, as well as a nice custom cabinetry and layout for laundry and other linens. So that took some of that space from the original guest and turned it into this master. Now, we also had the original master bathroom space. It was the strangest layout. It was not very functional for the clients at all. So again, Kara, we worked really hand in hand with her, and she was able to basically scrap the whole layout, and what we gave them instead was this huge functional vanity with the towers and the lowers that really fit what the client was trying to do. It gave them plenty of room and plenty of space. As well as we were able to get a bigger tub in here for the homeowner. That was one of the husband's biggest requests. And we've got a nice feature wall that Kara came up with the designs. We also were able to take the closet, which had this crazy layout in it before. You had to walk through this maze and kind of back closet area to get to the main master closet. It was very linear, very narrow, and so what we've given them now is a very easy access, very big, open. We custom designed all the cabinets in here and the shelving areas to fit really what they wanted and what they needed. So I hope you guys enjoyed just a quick little shot of what we did. We love to work with clients that want to change their space to something that really functions well for them. And we work really hand in hand with Kara and other designers to help make that flow and that work really seamlessly. So I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today. We're super excited about this project and how well it turned out. I hope you guys like it. Check us out for some other videos or check us out on olivebranchcontracting.com.